Hello! In this video, we'll give you an overview of the Executive Dashboard reports. On the Reports page, click on Executive Dashboard to open the list of reports. The Executive Reports in LeadCenter include the Executive Report Year-to-Date and the Executive Dashboard per year. The Executive Reports provide a 360-degree view of your company's sales and marketing performance. This includes leads, appointments, production, and marketing sources. The year-to-date report covers data from the beginning of the current year until today, while the full year report covers the entire year from January 1st to December 31st. With the full year report, you can view the current full year data or select previous years. In contrast, the year-to-date report only includes data from the beginning of the year up until today. Let's open the Executive Report Year-to-Date. This report contains 4 pages: Scorecard, Production KPIs, Advisor KPIs, and Marketing ROI. One important thing to understand is how the Executive Dashboard is populated. For example, the year-to-date lead scorecard is based on the lead creation date within the current year. This part of the report shows leads captured in the sales pipeline. It's important to note that leads removed from the sales pipeline will not appear in the Executive Dashboard. If you scroll down in the scorecard, you'll find the year-to-date first appointment table, which is based on the first appointment date within the current year. This data is based on appointments created in the calendar, and the appointment must be categorized as first appointment, not a client. It's important to note that appointments created in other connected calendars, Google, Microsoft, or Redtail, do not appear in this section of the Executive Reports. On the Production page, data is populated from accounts created in the Accounts section of LeadCenter. To create an account, go to the Contact Details page, click on the Actions menu, and select Create Account. This applies to both the Production KPI and Advisor KPI pages. The Marketing ROI page is populated based on the marketing expenses, along with data from various other components in LeadCenter. This report is populated using sources, campaigns, marketing expenses, captured leads in the sales pipeline, and appointments. This table tracks the total number of leads that became clients. It also includes a separate count for head of household clients in this column. The report calculates ratios based on this data and tracks the amount issued, sourced from the Accounts section. The Marketing ROI report consolidates data from 6 or more tables, providing a comprehensive view of sales, marketing efforts, and conversions. In LeadCenter, you can set annual goals, which will appear in this column. The report then calculates the percentage of goal attainment year-to-date, showing progress in key areas such as marketing, leads, appointments, and production. One important aspect of the Executive Report is understanding dimensions and metrics. Let's take the lead scorecard as an example. The year-to-date lead scorecard includes data for the last 7 days, last 30 days, and year-to-date, compared to the same period last year. It also calculates the percentage change, showing if performance has increased or decreased. Additionally, it tracks the goal and percentage of goal attainment. The report also includes key dimensions, such as new leads, first appointments set from new leads, and first appointments kept from new leads. It's important to note that this section is based on the lead creation date within the current year. This means the report only tracks first appointments created from new leads who were added during the current year. That's why the first appointments set from new leads in this table may differ from those in the year-to-date first appointment set table below. The year-to-date first appointment set table measures all first appointments set during the current year, regardless of when the lead was originally created. For example, a lead may have been added last year, but if the appointment was scheduled this year, it will appear in this table. As a result, the appointment will appear in the year-to-date first appointment set table, but not in the year-to-date lead scorecard table. This provides a quick overview of your leads' performance and quality, showing how many are converting into clients, the associated costs, and your customer acquisition cost. The cost per lead and customer acquisition cost are calculated based on the marketing expenses entered in LeadCenter. The became client metric, whether for all new leads or head of household clients, is determined by converting a lead stage to become client. Now let's go to the production KPIs. This report provides a detailed view of your production performance, which is important to track. This report is based on the account issue date and business type. It shows production data for the last 7 days, 30 days, and year to date, including annuities, MIGA, AUM, and total issued assets. If you scroll down, you'll see the production performance pending section. This section is based on the application sign date. This section displays all accounts with a pending status. If you scroll down, the production performance forecasted section will show all accounts with a forecasted status. There is an important thing to note that these two sections track pending and forecasted accounts, regardless of when they were created. The sum of all time section consolidates all pending and forecasted accounts, whether their application sign date is from this year or a previous year. This provides an aggregate view of all pending and forecasted assets. The advisor KPI report functions similarly to the production KPI report. However, this report is broken down per advisor. For each advisor, you can see year-to-date issued amounts for AUM, fixed index annuities, and the grand total. If you scroll down, you'll see the pending accounts per advisor, which display the total number of accounts, not just year-to-date data. If you navigate to Production Performance Forecasted, any available forecasted data will be displayed in the Forecasted section. The Marketing ROI report provides insights per channel or source, showing how much money was spent, how many leads were generated year-to-date, and the cost per lead. The cost per lead is calculated by dividing total marketing spend by the number of leads generated. This report also provides insights into the first appointments kept and leads that became clients. Scrolling down reveals a more detailed breakdown, including the cost per first appointment set, the cost per first appointment kept, and additional conversion data. Ultimately, this report shows issued amounts per channel, broken down by AUM, insurance, if applicable, estimated company commissions, revenue, and fees. It also provides the ROI for each channel year-to-date. This was a quick overview of the executive reports. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to contact us at support@LeadCenter.AI.